And in a big exclusive now on India Today, the Narcotics Bureau Deputy Director KPS Malhotra speaking exclusively to India Today, and the Deputy Director of the Narcotics Control Bureau says no drugs recovered from either Shouvik Chakravarti, the younger brother of Riya, or Samuel Miranda, the house manager of Sushant Singh Rajput. So that's the big claim coming in. Narcotics Bureau Deputy Director also says that investigation into the drug syndicate is underway. The Bureau also saying that the raids at Riya and Miranda's house brought some diaries and digital gadgets. First, listen in to what the Deputy Director of Narcotics Bureau has told India Today. Listen in.
ड्रग प्रोसीड जो कि इंडियन एंड फॉरेन करेंसी था वो हमें जायद से मिला। तो ड्रग्स के अलावा अगर आप एनडीपीएस एक्ट समझेंगे, अगर आपने ड्रग बेच चुके हो, ड्रग का प्रोसीड है तो उसको भी ड्रग की तरह ही सीज किया जाता है। देयर इज स्पेसिफिक सेक्शन 27 ने उसको ऐड किया गया। तो
रिया के घर पे कुछ मिला है सर? आप जब सर्च किया तो रिया के घर पर
नो सीजर।
Let's go across to Mumbai. My colleague Divyesh Singh is there. So Divyesh, how should one see the fact that no drugs were recovered, at least from the house, but it wouldn't be right away, clearly, considering there was so much controversy, and of course Shouvik and Samuel Miranda were in eye of the storm. But this is also about the earlier aspect. Did they administer it or buy it for either Riya or Sushant?
Yeah, Pooja, remember this is a reverse investigation that is being carried out by the Narcotics Control Bureau. And while conducting this investigation, they are probing a period which discusses period between March 2020 and past 2019 as well. So this period is in question, and that is the period when drugs were procured by Shouvik Chakravarti and Samuel Miranda through these truck peddlers, Zahid Bilatra and Basit Parihar. And that is why Basit Parihar and Zahid Bilatra were earlier arrested. And then NCB proceeded after their statements were recorded, after they were taken into custody, their remand was sought. After that, Shouvik Chakravarti and Samuel Miranda's houses were searched, and then they were taken into custody. They were questioned and then taken into custody.
All right, Divyesh, please stay on with me. Divyesh.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.